Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to disconnect and unpair your Xbox Ultimate controller from your Xbox Series X. And this is really easy to do. So on top of the controller, there is a little sync button. All we have to do is hold this down for about 6 seconds to 10 seconds. The light will begin to blink right here. Just continue to hold this down. Then after about 6 seconds, this controller will vibrate twice. You can hear vibrating, and then it will completely turn off, indicating that it disconnected from the Xbox. Now, if I do press the Xbox button down, this is going to place it into the Bluetooth pairing mode. We can easily go to our phone now, locate Bluetooth, and then we should be able to discover our controller. So this is completely disconnected now. We can connect it to a PC also. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.